there, parents! Summer is finally here. The kids are home, the backpacks are put away, and it's time for some well-deserved rest and fun. But before we throw routines completely out the window, I want to talk to you about why it's actually really helpful to keep some structure going for your kids over the summer break, and how a little planning can go a long way in making the transition of going back to school in the fall a lot smoother. Let's face it, when school lets out, it's easy for kids to fall into the trap of late mornings, hours of video games, and maybe just a bit too much lounging. And while some downtime is healthy and necessary, letting go of all routines can actually work against your child in the long run. So let's start with why routines still matter in the summertime. It keeps their minds active. You don't have to fill their days with homework, but keeping a bit of mental stimulation going over the summer helps avoid what many call the summer slide. It's what I like to say helps keep their brain from getting too rusty. It supports healthy sleep habits. Maintaining an earlier wake-up schedule, or at least not letting it get too out of whack, helps prevent exhaustion and grogginess when school starts back up in the fall. Nobody wants to go from sleeping until 10 a.m. to a 6:30 wake-up call overnight. It makes the back-to-school transition way easier. Kids who keep a tight routine over the summer tend to bounce back into school routines more quickly and with a lot less pushback and stress for everyone. So what are some things you can do to help? Well, there are several fun and easy ways to keep your child engaged and in a routine during the summer months. Join a summer reading program. Check with your local library. Most offer amazing reading programs with fun prizes and activities during the summer. Or if you're not into library reading programs, maybe have your child read a book that was made into a movie. Then when they finish that book, watch the movie together. And then you can talk about important points that were maybe left out in the movie, or what were some points from the book that were changed in the movie. You can also talk about different ways the book or the movie could have been better. Maybe come up with plot twists you think the author missed, or that would have made the story scarier or funnier. It's a great way to boost retention of what they read, as well as boost storytelling and creativity. Sign them up for a summer sport. Whether it's soccer, swimming, or tennis, staying physically active helps kids maintain energy, coordination, and fitness. Plus, it's a great way to socialize. Whether it's soccer, swimming, or tennis, staying physically active helps kids maintain energy, coordination, and fitness. Plus, it's a great way to socialize. If your child plays an instrument during the school year, summer band camps are a fun way to practice skills and connect with other musicians. Because the reality of the situation is, without regular practice, musical skills can fade. So this is a great way to keep the momentum going. If your child loves art, check out local summer art classes like painting, drawing, pottery, whatever sparks their creativity. It's more than just fun. It keeps their creative thinking sharp too. Summer should be fun, relaxed, and full of great memories. But a little structured sprinkled in can go a long way. Routines give your child a sense of security, of purpose, and confidence. And the good habits you help them build now will benefit them long after summer ends. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow parent, and I'd love to hear from you. What routines do you keep going over the summer in your household? Let me know in the comments below. Maybe even subscribe to my channel for more tips on raising organized and confident kids. Thanks for watching, and have a happy, healthy, and fun summer.